What's up, guys? This is Jesse from Mullen Woodworks, and today we are going through episode 2 of the trailer rebuild. So we took off all the cabinet doors and painted them in episode 1, and if you want to check out episode 1, it'll probably be over here, or I don't know. Go check out episode 1 of the trailer rebuild. Now we're going to poly the doors, and then we're going to go out into the trailer and strip down all the fake wood paneling, and then I'm going to take down one panel in the ceiling that has some water damage, but it is located just on one panel. So I can take that off. Should be a pretty easy replace and move forward from there. And that should wrap up episode 2. So let's get to it, get it done so we can keep moving. So I just finished polying with this spray can of Varathane. If it ends up not being thick enough, I'm just going to use a foam brush and regular poly. But it's a water-based poly, simple. It's obviously for a trailer, so it's only going to be used minimally compared to regular cabinets. So I'm not too worried about it. I think it should do the trick. If not, I'll use foam brush and use normal poly. So let's go up to the trailer and start working out there. Well, I don't know if you can see, but there's actually still water damage. I can feel moisture. So we're gonna have to take a look at that, make sure obviously wherever it's leaking that we stop it from leaking. It looks like it's coming in right through this vent. So we'll go through and make sure that that's all taken care of. Over here is dry. It looks like it's just in this area. Over here is dry. So just right in this corner, but we'll have to tackle that too. Well, that's it for the second episode of the trailer rebuild. We found a little bit of rot on one bar on the roof. So we'll have to go up on top, make sure we caulk everything, make sure it's all watertight. Now, we might replace that bar. It is sister jointed with another one, so it looks like either someone was repairing it anyway. So I'll keep you updated on that. Anyway, subscribe, check out the next episodes. If you haven't seen the first ones, go check those out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.